I love the square bracelets as well. Hello ladies, and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today I'm excited to bring back a beautiful line from Brazil, ethically made in Brazil, fair trade. It is called Jacky Brazil. This is a beautiful, colorful line. It's like wearing wearable art. So their goal is to always use bright and happy colors. And to me, this screams a summer collection. Last summer, we had this line in different pieces, of course, because everyone is unique in itself. It's all made from resin, which is actually recyclable. So that's great. They have very strict fair trade rules. So again, all ethically made, which is great. We love to support brands like this. And we just find it so fun and whimsical as well. A lot of you ladies are loving the all sorts, which is one of my faves as well. It's so beautiful. It's like little all sort candies in a necklace, which also comes in a bracelet in the whole or the half, which are a bit bigger in diameter, but smaller in width here. This is a new one that we've picked up this season, which is so beautiful. It is all the all sorts with some nice cool beads intertwined in between. I have on this statement piece of the pop art. It is such a beautiful statement. We just got a few of these in, and each one is unique in itself. So online, we've actually photographed each one just so you can pick the one that you like the most. Look at this, is so great. It has some army green gold flecks in there. And then you got your bright colors up here as well. There's a beautiful bracelet to match that has different colorways in it as well. Just be careful when wearing it. You don't want to knock it on any hard surfaces or avoid heat as well. But to shine it up again, they suggest to just use a little bit of moisturizing cream and just rub the beads individually, and then it'll come, the luster will come to life again if it dulls out a little. I paired up the Zizka earrings actually. We don't carry any of the Jacky Brazil earrings, but the Zizka earrings are resin as well. So each one will be so unique with any of these pieces. And I just picked the powder blue to, within my necklace and my bracelet here, which I thought was pretty cool. And these are just nice little dainty drops, the little square ones with sterling silver component here. So hyperallergenic. And they're so easy and light. They go with anything in this collection, which is awesome. So I'll show you a few more pieces on my outfit. I'm excited too about my outfit that I'll show you in a minute. This is the Lucian Bean one size Gia dress that we did in this linen with the applique on the back yoke of a bamboo knit, which is polka dots, of course, that we love. And then we followed the polka dots here and here as well. There's pockets in it, and there's a high-low, and I feel like it's a beautiful blank palette for any of these gorgeous necklaces, just to elongate it and break it up and give it that pop of color, especially in the summertime. We also have a disc necklace here, which is beautiful as well. You can reverse it if you like, if you want the flat side out or the round side. And then there's some matching bracelets to go as well, which are so awesome. And then this one, which I love, is so beautiful. It's got all different little pieces inside the clear resin, so it's super cool. In the light, it just shimmers and it's so beautiful. And this piece could go with either of them, but it just fits so nicely as well. And then we picked up this boho line, which is beautiful. I feel like on white linen or natural linen, it's gonna be amazing. We have our Lucian Bean toggle jumper, which you ladies love over the years. And we brought it back in an oatmeal. So this would look stunning with it. I'll just show you it on the black dress here, how beautiful it falls and how natural it is. This is not very heavy either, which is great, nice and light, especially this one and the all sorts too are so light. But there you go. You can just see how beautiful that is on a black linen outfit. I love the square bracelets as well. They're so beautiful and they sit really nicely as well on your wrist. So we have a few different colors here. And again, we photographed them individually, so you get to pick your colorways in these. We thought it would be so fun to bring back this line, especially in the summer season. And we hope you love it as much as we do. And you can take a peek at all the pieces online. If you have any questions at all, please let us know, of course. We're always here. Please like and subscribe to our channel so we can reach our content to more beautiful women. Thank you so much, ladies, and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, ladies, for watching this segment. I hope you got inspired and you got some style tips. And what do we say again?
please like and subscribe to our channel so that we can reach our content to more beautiful women.
Like you.
Have a great day.
Keep smiling.